Hey guys, what is up? We are back here with another episode of Moss Outdoors today. We are gonna attempt to go ice fishing, and we are bringing along that heathen right there. We've never brought the dog ice fishing with us before, but we are gonna bring him along today and see how he does. We're just going to a small lake up here in central Michigan that we've fished a couple times before, and normally we can get some decent crappie and bluegill out of it, so we're gonna try to do that and kind of do a little test run with him, hoping that he can burn off some steam when we're going out to the spot to set up, and then by the time we get out to the spot, I'm hoping that he can kind of chill out a little bit. I'm hoping it's gonna be a good day of fishing. I've never really tried this before, but there's a pretty good snowstorm that's coming along, and we're gonna try fishing through that, so we'll see how that goes. Melissa's just getting back from getting us some more propane. Just gonna drop that off. I think regardless of how the fishing goes today, you're in store for an entertaining episode for a multitude of reasons. So we're gonna head out to the lake here in just a minute, and then when we get out there, we'll start filming and see if this guy does anything entertaining for the camera, and we'll see if this lady over here can actually maybe catch a fish today.
I'm not gonna do anything entertaining for the camera.
Probably not.
I thought I was always entertaining.
That's a stretch. Alright, we're gonna head out and we will catch you on the water.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
There was like some good marks on there, so I think, I mean, there could definitely be some small ones, but I think there's probably, no, Hawk, no, you stay up on your bed. Jeez, they're like way up there.
No. Just lay down.
Lay down. It's okay. Are they all like by your jig? Oh, jeez, dude. That thing freaking. Oh, it came off. That thing destroyed.
Oh, I saw it on my camera. I think we might be able to pick our jigs up if I open
I
it.
doubt I can pick mine up.
I mean, I got that fish at least.
I couldn't even set the hook on that because it just freaking took it and started running.
Lay down. Lay down. Dude.
He's gonna lose his mind when we catch a fish in here. Wait, do I hit that on?
Look at him.
What is going on?
I have no clue. Huck, lay down. Hi, Huck.
He really wants to be on your lap.
Well, guys, Tyler missed a bite. I missed a bite, and I dropped back down. Caught this big old guy. As you can see, Huck is enjoying his life right now. Huck, do you want to check it out? Oh, he wanted a bite of that.
I'm gonna go for it. Oh!
Okay, this guy's going back in the water.
That was probably a terrible idea.
We've been getting marks like crazy, we're in 29, 30 feet of water, and we're getting marks like at 10 feet of water, and then we're also getting infrequently, but every 5 minutes. Then at 20 feet to 22 to 23 feet is where we're getting a lot of marks. It's just solid sometimes, but it's just we're trying to figure out what is getting them to bite, and we were kind of hoping they're crappie. I'm sure the ones that are up in 10 feet of water probably are crappie.
Ooh. can't even see, like.
Just keep breathing. It's a little, I mean, it's bigger.
Oh.
Bigger than we've been getting.
Woo. Giant pancakes. I'm sure you want to give him a kiss, buddy.
He's like, I'll pass.
What is it? Oh, Huckster. Did he swim away? Oh, I think he did.
Wow. Oh, that one was a better one. It felt
definitely
heavy.
starting to bite. Oh, it's coming back. Wait, it's coming back.
Oh no. I freaking lost it again. What the heck? I wonder if that one was like a crappie or something. It's weird that it would hit twice.
Yeah. That one.
I might.
I want to see how big it is.
That's small for crappie, but like for this lake, I feel like that's average.
That's probably 8 inches.
I caught a crappie. I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm probably gonna regret that later, but it's not super big, but it's not tiny either, I guess.
I'm enjoying myself over here in the corner.
With
I don't know if
Huck.
you can see me or not, but
I'm pretty sure they can. They should
I'm on
be able to.
daycare duty. It's really coming down outside now.
Yeah. We're supposed to get, Mount Pleasant area was supposed to get, what, 3 to 6 inches? So it's not a ton, but
Okay, yep,
for
don't worry
here,
about
it's probably the most we've gotten all year, honestly.
There, I got it, Gus. Finally.
Let's see what it's gonna be.
Dude, it's in the deucer. Dude, this is nice. Let's go, baby. Let's freaking go. Finally. Was that on me, I hope?
It should be on you. It was on you when I checked it at least.
That took a very, very long time. Guys, quick look outside. Probably gonna be the last time outside, maybe for the night. We're probably gonna start getting ready for the night bite here. As you can see, there's a couple arsenies out here, but it is coming down. I don't know if the camera picks it up quite as good as what it is, but it's coming down pretty good out here. How big's the one you kept? Is it bigger than that?
Yeah, a little bit. Big meatier body on it. Just drop it in your hole. There's 2 holes. You can drop it in. Woo! Another keeper.
That's the biggest one.
I'll drop down there.
There was just like a whole school that
I'll sit
came
this
in
way.
down there all of a sudden.
I guess I'll set this back up.
I don't know if that was just a fluke catch or like. Giant. Dude, absolute tank.
Hopefully when I get in the transducer, because I'm not going to be able to see you. Watch, Huck, watch. Watch your father. Wow!
Not giant, but keeper.
Not giant, but din din.
I mean, that's big enough, isn't it?
Sit.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry, I forgot to kind of film an outro that night. We're actually out here in some public out in the middle of nowhere right now. We just got done taking the dog for a quick training run. But we kind of had batteries die on cameras, and we were trying to get off the lake because it was a dang near a blizzard out there, so I kind of forgot to film an outro that night. But we ended up catching 4 crappie that night. Huck actually did a really good job being in the tent. He was pretty chill and was good about not. I thought he was going to try running out of the tent every 20 seconds, which is not what happened, so I was proud of him for that. And we had a really fun time. So yeah, like I said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure if you enjoy the content that you either like it, you maybe drop us a comment, or you could subscribe to the channel too. So we're gonna keep pushing videos out. It's starting to get late in the winter. We're coming around to spring here soon. So what does that mean, camera woman?
Gobble gobble.
Gobble gobble. That's coming up here soon. So actually, real quick announcement, we are going to be dropping the video for Melissa's turkey hunt first couple weeks of March, because I know everyone's starting to get the itch, and if you don't live in Florida, then you're still stuck waiting for a while to get in the turkey woods. So Melissa's turkey hunt is going to be dropping here in just probably a couple weeks. Hopefully that'll get you guys in the old spirit for getting in the turkey woods. And so yeah, keep an eye out for that. Other than that, we got some cool turkey hunts as usual planned again this year. Hopefully we can get some good footage. We'll feed that to you guys. So thanks again for watching. Catch you on the next episode.
29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time,